Hello, my name is Patrick Hutzler, and I'm doing a tutorial on how to use the reading advisory site Goodreads. I've been a longtime fan of Goodreads since I was first introduced to it in my sophomore year of high school. Goodreads is an excellent site for locating books for first time users of Goodreads. There are a few things that you should know. Goodreads is a subsidiary of Amazon, so they will have access to all the data you're using on the site, such as your book preferences and whatnot. Okay, do we understand? Moving forward. Now, these first two steps aren't really important. Just recommend to your friends, taking part in their 2021 reading challenge. Sorry, that's my dog. Anyway, now this is the important start of the important part. I want you to select select your favorite genres. You only have to select one, and there's no limit to how many you can select. But here are the three I've chosen: fiction, manga, and science fiction. Okay, we'll continue. Now it's going to want you to rate books. Let's see. Shadow and Bone was pretty good. Catcher in Rye, meh. And before we go any further, I want to say this is only just books I have read and know about. Okay, I'm finished rating. So I rated those things. Okay, so just so you know that this is the recommendation part saying you need to rate at least 20 books to get Goodreads to start giving you recommendations. So that way they'll know a good amount of your preferences. Okay. Next, we're going to head to the homepage. This is filled with them advertising their own sites, such as their mystery and thriller, the genre they're advertising, the 2021 reading challenge, which we saw earlier. Here, they're the books in one of the genres fiction that are trending this week, and recommendations. Anyway, next we'll go to my books. This will show you a list of all the books that you have supposedly read. But so far all I know is that the books I've rated. Okay. Once you've read more books, this list will fill up a lot more. Next, we'll go to browse. It gives you your favorite genres. This will take you to all genres. It'll give you choice awards. Which will take you to best books of 2020 and each category. Next, there are giveaways. Here are the new release lists, and explore, and news and interviews. These are all going to be very useful things for anyone who wants to use the site. Next, there's community. Community, you can join groups, be part of discussions. You can have access to quotes from all kinds of works and even authors. This will allow you to ask authors. They'll even have little games such as trivia or quizzes. Creating writing here will allow you creative writing, stories and writing tags by genre. It allows you to find interesting books by these genres that aren't really part of the main genre set, at least from my understanding of it. And you even write your own stuff. And they also have people and events. Events will just tell you like what's coming up, what they're doing, that kind of thing. Now let's go back to my books. Okay, so before we go any further, I always forgot to tell you about the search engine. This is where you can search books and look up all kinds. You don't have to be very specific. The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe here is what I'm going to choose to show you. Here's the book, the title of the series, the author, the summary, and access to Amazon and other stores who sell this book. When you pick a book, it'll show you books that are recommended because you read this book. Because people apparently have enjoyed this book and these books. Okay, this will tell you the genres that this book falls under, the ratings of the book. What can be. Let's see. Here are the rest of the books in the series, and this will give you access to all the books written by C.S. Lewis. I want to thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a good day and a good night.